Good morning, student. Yesterday we have completed our exercise A, B and C of the noun. The rest part of exercise C is my mother has a new computer. Here is a new, so singular form of computer is here. Then there are 3 windows in the room. The cat is sitting on my bed. There are 5 pencils on my desk. I have 2 sisters. Clear, students? Now we have learned about the right plurals of the following noun. So, first here is fish. Students, as we know, the plural form of fish is fish. It is not fishes. Okay? Then bus, it is buses. Penny, coin it means pennies. Pennies. Penny. Day, it is days. Then sheep, the plural form of sheep is sheep, not sheeps. Half, it's mean half. Adha, it's HALVES. Halves. Then foot is a singular. Plural form is feet. Then woman, it is women. MEN. Women. Clear, student? Now, exercise E. Complete the table below with appropriate masculine or feminine noun. So, the first is horse. What is the feminine of horse? It is colt. 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 Then dog. It is witch. VITCH. Witch. Then here is bride. Bride is feminine gender. What is the masculine gender of bride? It is bridegroom. BRIDE. Bride. GROOM. Groom. Clear? Then prince is masculine gender. Feminine gender of prince is princess. Then poet. What is the feminine gender of poet? It is, here is feminine aunt. Masculine gender is uncle. 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 Nun. Feminine gender nun. The masculine gender of nun is monk. Monk means sannyasi. Poet, it is poetess. POETESS. Then hunters. The masculine gender is hunter. 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 Actor. The feminine gender is actress. 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 Then here is lioness, that is feminine gender. So the masculine gender of lioness is lion. 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 Clear, students? I think that you got all the things. Here is the plural form of the nouns and these are the gender. Masculine gender and feminine gender. Now, exercise F. Write each noun under the appropriate column. So, student, first is hires. This is feminine gender. Mayor, it is common gender. Violin, neuter gender. Nephew, that is masculine gender. Mayor, it is feminine gender. Car, neuter gender. President, it is common gender. Coin, neuter gender. Then neighbor, it is common gender. EIGHBOUR, neighbor. Master, it is masculine gender. Then secretary, it is called common gender. Mistress, feminine gender. Bride, feminine gender. Country, country is common gender. Sorry, it is neuter gender. Country is neuter gender. Rock is masculine gender. Ship is feminine gender. Sun is masculine gender. Flower is feminine gender. Moon is feminine gender. Hen, feminine gender. Pet, common gender. As we know, the things that show power and strength is under the masculine gender, and the things that is beauty, gracefulness and kindness, these things are come under the feminine gender. So student, today we have completed our chapter, the noun. You have done exercise A, B, C in your copy, and the rest exercise, that is D, E and F, you will do in your book. Thank you student.